Shower heads are an essential part of our daily routine, but if they're not properly cleaned, they can harbor harmful bacteria and mold. Over time, mineral deposits can build up, clogging the small holes that deliver water to you. This can result in a weak, uneven water flow and eventually lead to the need for a replacement shower head. To prevent this from happening, it's important to clean your shower head regularly. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to clean your shower head in just a few minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you need. Step 1. Soak the shower head in vinegar. Fill a plastic bag with white vinegar, and place the shower head inside, making sure the entire head is submerged. Use a twist tie to secure the bag around the shower head, and let it soak for at least an hour or overnight if you can. The vinegar will dissolve the mineral buildup and help to kill any bacteria or mold present. Step 2. Scrub the shower head. After soaking, remove the shower head from the bag and scrub the surface with an old toothbrush or a soft bristled brush to remove any remaining mineral buildup or debris. Rinse it thoroughly with water. Step 3. Test the water flow. Turn on the water and test the water flow to make sure the shower head is working correctly. If you still notice a weak water flow, repeat the cleaning process. Cleaning your shower head regularly will help to prevent mineral buildup and maintain a strong, consistent water flow. It's recommended to clean your shower head at least once every 6 months or more often if you live in an area with hard water. With just a few simple steps, you can ensure that your shower head stays clean and working correctly for years to come. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks and life hacks. Good luck and see you in the next video.